Let's evaluate some bases raised to rational exponents. Part A, we're going to take base 16 and raise it to the 3/2 power. And the way we're going to do this is, the solution is it's equal to, now we're going to write a base in the form of base to the 1 over some n value inside the parenthesis. It's going to be 16 raised to the 1 over some denominator raised to another power. So we need the exponents to multiply together and give us a 3/2. So it's going to be 16 inside the parenthesis raised to the 1/2 power, because of course the denominator is 2. And then on the outside we have to have the 3, because the rules of exponents say you multiply the exponents together and we would get the 1/2 times 3, which is 3/2. So that's equivalent to the original question. Now the next step is to work inside the parentheses and change that 1 over n power to the nth root. So this is equal to, parenthesis, the square root of 16 raised to the 3rd power. Now we can evaluate what's inside of the parenthesis. The square root of 16 is the number 4. And of course the power on the outside comes along for the ride. And then the definition of base 4 raised to the 3rd power is 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. Let's do it again. Parenthesis, -8 raised to the 2 over 3 power. Okay, the first thing we want to do is to write the base 8 to a power 1 over the denominator 3, and then figure out what goes on the outside of the bracket. It's going to have to be a 2. And the reason why is we have to have the exponents multiply together according to the rules of exponents and equal the original 2/3 power. So 1/3 times 2 will give us 2/3 power. Now inside the bracket we're going to change our rational exponent 1 over 3 to the 3rd root. So this is equal to the 3rd root of the entire base -8, and on the outside raised to the 2nd power. Now let's evaluate inside the brackets. The 3rd root of -8 is -2, because -2 to the 3rd power gives us our radicand, -8. And don't forget the exponent on the outside. So what does it mean to take base -2 and raise it to the 2nd power? It's -2 times itself, which is +4.